Welcome to the geography class, students. Today in this video lecture you will learn about domains of the earth. Major domains of the earth are lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. As you know, earth is the only planet which has life, land, water and air. The surface of the earth is very complex. So first of all, I will tell you about lithosphere. Litho means stone in Greek language. So, solid portion of the earth on which we live is called lithosphere. There are two main divisions of earth's surface: continents and oceans. Students, continents means large land masses and oceans are huge water bodies. Seven major continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Northern hemisphere is called the land hemisphere because greater part of the landmass lies in the northern hemisphere. It is more than 70% of the total area. Water bodies area is smaller in northern hemisphere. It is only 30% of the total area of northern hemisphere. And students, you know, Australia and Antarctica are the two continents that lie entirely in the southern hemisphere. So first of all, I will tell you in detail about Asia. Asia is the largest continent. It covers one third of total land of Earth. It lies in the eastern hemisphere. Tropic of Cancer passes through this. It is separated from Europe by Ural Mountains on the west side. And combined landmass of Europe and Asia is called Eurasia. Students, you know, highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, which is 8,848 meters high, lies in this continent. And you know, Edmund Hillary from New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay Sherpa from India were the first men to climb the highest mountain peak, and Junko Tabei from Japan was the first woman to reach on this Mount Everest, and the first Indian woman to climb the highest peak was Bachendri Pal. So, students, there are many features of this continent, but now I will tell you another features of different continents. Second continent, Africa, second largest continent, and equator runs through the middle of this continent. And you know, it is the only continent through which Tropic of Cancer, equator and Tropic of Capricorn pass. World's largest hot desert Sahara is also located in this continent. Even world's longest river Nile also flows through this continent. Next is North America. North America is the third largest continent. It is linked to South America by a very narrow strip of land called Isthmus of Panama. Isthmus means narrow strip of land joining two land masses. Next is about South America. South America is the world's longest mountain range, Andes, which runs through this continent. And South America has the world's largest river called Amazon. Next is about Europe. Europe lies to the west of Asia. Arctic Circle passes through it, and it is bound by water bodies on three sides. Next is about Antarctica. You know, Antarctica is permanently covered with thick ice sheets. Many countries have research stations here. India has also research stations here. These are Maitri and Gangotri. And Australia is the smallest continent. It is surrounded by oceans and seas on all sides. It is also called an island continent. So students, I have explained you about all the continents, the features of these continents, and now I will explain you second domain, that is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere: oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, water vapor collectively form hydrosphere. Our earth looks blue from the sky because of more than 71% of the earth is covered with water and 29% with land. But still we face a shortage of water because ocean water is too salty and fresh water is less available. So students, five major oceans are Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern and Arctic Ocean. Now I will tell you about Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. And you know, Mariana Trench is the deepest part of earth lies in this ocean. Next is Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest ocean in the world and it is S-shaped. Its location is ideal for business and trade activities, so it is the busiest ocean in the world. Next is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the only ocean that named after a country, that is India. Next is Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean encircles the Antarctica continent and Arctic Ocean surrounds North Pole. So students, in the next video lecture, I will tell you about atmosphere and biosphere in detail. So you all will read the features and learn these features of different continents and oceans and different domains of earth. Thank you students.